If you're looking for a way to add charm, functionality, and comfort to your home, bay windows with built-in seating are a beautiful solution. In Mandeville, where homeowners value relaxed living and inviting interiors, this design feature combines style and practicality in one smart upgrade. More than just a window replacement, a bay window with built-in seating transforms ordinary wall space into a cozy, usable area your family will love. Expanding your living space, bay windows extend outward from your home's exterior, typically featuring a large center window flanked by angled side panels. This projection creates additional interior square footage, even if it's only a few feet. That extra space makes room for built-in seating, turning what would normally be empty floor space into a charming nook. In Mandeville homes, this can be especially appealing in living rooms, family rooms, or even master bedrooms. Instead of simply adding another piece of furniture, you're building functionality directly into your home's design. Creating a cozy gathering spot, there's something inviting about a window seat. It naturally becomes a favorite spot for reading, relaxing, or enjoying a cup of coffee. With soft cushions and throw pillows, your bay window seating area can quickly become the most comfortable seat in the house. For families in Mandeville, this space often becomes a go-to area for children to read, pets to nap in the sunshine, or guests to gather during visits. It encourages connection while offering a peaceful retreat at the same time. Maximizing natural light. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a room. Because they feature multiple panes set at angles, they allow sunlight to enter from different directions. This brightens your living space and makes it feel larger and more open. In Mandeville, where natural beauty surrounds many neighborhoods, bay windows also help frame outdoor views while filling your home with warm daylight. Adding built-in seating beneath the window allows you to fully enjoy that natural light, whether you're reading, working, or simply relaxing. Adding storage solutions. Built-in seating can also include hidden storage beneath the bench. This is especially helpful in living rooms or family spaces where extra blankets, books, toys, or seasonal decor need a home. Instead of cluttering closets or shelves, you can incorporate discrete storage directly into your seating design. For homeowners in Mandeville who value both beauty and organization, this is a practical bonus. Enhancing home value and appeal. Bay windows are considered a premium architectural feature. When combined with custom built-in seating, they add both visual interest and functional square footage. From the exterior, bay windows create depth and dimension, improving curb appeal. Inside, they become a focal point that enhances the room's design. If you ever plan to sell your Mandeville home, this type of feature can attract buyers looking for unique, well-designed living spaces. It's an upgrade that blends comfort with long-term value. Energy efficiency and comfort. Modern bay windows are available with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These options help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, reducing drafts and improving overall energy performance. That means your cozy window seat stays comfortable no matter the season. Custom design to match your style. One of the best aspects of bay windows with built-in seating is customization. From traditional wood finishes to modern minimalist designs, you can tailor the look to match your home's aesthetic. Cushions, upholstery fabrics, trim details, and storage configurations can all be personalized to suit your lifestyle. A beautiful and functional upgrade for Mandeville homes. Bay windows with built-in seating offer the perfect blend of elegance and practicality. They expand your space, increase natural light, add storage, and create a cozy focal point in your home. For homeowners in Mandeville looking to enhance both comfort and style, this upgrade delivers lasting beauty and everyday functionality, making your living space more enjoyable for years to come.